So these are what they call like the beach towel clips from Core Clips, and they sent these to us so we could check them out and see how solid and sturdy they are and show them to you and tell you what we think. But I'll tell you what, these are nice. They're really solid. They have a really big wide opening, and they're designed to hold your beach towel onto a beach chair at the pool or the beach or wherever and stuff. But what I'm looking forward to using them for is as tablecloth clips when we're at the campground. We travel full time in the RV, and these are going to be great for holding the tablecloth down at the picnic table. So when we're at picnic tables that aren't the same size as our elastic tablecloths, this is going to be really handy for that. Plus, I can just see using them for a lot of different things around the rig. You could even use it like a potato chip clip, but it's a little bit they're nicer than that. You could use them for a lot of really cool things anytime you need to hold something onto something else. And it comes in a really nice gift box here, but then it also comes with a little storage drawstring bag with a little cord lock on it and stuff. So that's going to be really handy to just have available wherever you need it in and around the RV whether we're traveling or sitting still. It's going to be really nice to like hold things onto whatever we need to hold things onto. So good stuff. They're really substantial. They have a really good spring mechanism in them. You could see how strong and thick that spring mechanism is. You just feel how sturdy they are. So good stuff.